Hi everyone. Today I'm going to tell you MS-DOS commands. MS-DOS is a Microsoft disk operating system. So it is a character-based operating system and it works with the commands. MS-DOS provides two types of commands. The first one is internal commands and the second one is external commands. So internal commands are inbuilt commands that are available with the DOS, because in the DOS there is a component called command.com, so that provides and supports to run the internal commands, and the external commands requires additional file to execute and run the external commands. So now I would like to execute some of the internal commands so that you can get better understand what are the internal commands and how they are executed in MS-DOS. First, let me share my MS-DOS screen. Okay, so when you start a DOS prompt, so you have to click on the start button and type a command. So you'll get a DOS prompt like this. So with the username, so my name is Shafi Sardar, and so I got my DOS prompt with my name. Okay, so here the first command is dir. So dir is also known as directory command. So when you type dir command, so it is going to execute the command and shows the list of files and directories available in my folder Shafi Sardar. Okay, so just type dir command and press enter key, and there is no case sensitive, so you can type the command either in uppercase or lowercase, both are accepted. Okay, so just type. So it goes on displaying all the files and directories available in my folder, and only the last screen you can see at the end. So suppose think that if I want to use the directory command with some parameters, then it provides various parameter, and with the help of parameter you can see the directory command with a different display. Suppose think that if I want to display a page wise, then you have to use /p. Slash is a operator, so it reads the parameter for DOS commands. Okay, when you press enter, see here it goes on displaying page by page, and after every end of the page it shows the message press any key to continue, and go on pressing the key. So you'll get the second screen, third screen till the end, and at the bottom you will get how many files are there, how many directories are there, and how much memory of bytes it occupies into the memory. So all those details you are going to get with the directory command. Suppose think that if you want to display in a width wise, then you can use another parameter called /w. Okay, so it is going to display in a width manner. So page wise and width wise, both you can see simultaneously. You can use both, and directories are provided in terms of brackets, and without brackets are normal files. Suppose think that if you want to display all directories and files, then you can use dir/a. So it goes on displaying all directories and files. And if you want to display all the file names in a sorted order, then you can use the O as the parameter. So order wise, so Judd will come last and A file name will come first. So in a ascending order. So if you want to search any file, for example, dir/s, suppose think that I want to search for a file called college. So it shows where the college is available, and when it is created, and the timing of creation, as well as how much memory it occupies. Everything it displays by searching the particular file from the directory. Okay, And there is a command called CLS. You can clear the screen. Whatever the output you got from the commands, you can clear it. And there is another command called /l. So it displays all the file and folder names in a lowercase letters. Okay. And if you want to display only the directories, then AD can be used. And if you want to display the read-only files, then AR. These are the read-only files or folders. And if you want to display the hidden files, then AH parameter can be used. So these are all hidden files. And if you want to access archived files, then AA can be used as a parameter. These are the archived files. And if you want to display the system files, then AS parameter can be used. Like this, with the directory command, we have various parameters, and every parameter is going to list out the files and folders in a different format. And CLS command, as I told, so it clears the screen and only displays its your DOS prompt so that you can type the next command. Okay. Now I'm going to tell you how to create a file in MS-DOS. Suppose think that by my name I want to create a file. So there is a command called copy con. So there is a space between copy and con. You have to type the copy con, then type the file name. My name is Shafi, and I type the copy con Shafi. Then so type some message. Okay. So welcome to MS-DOS. Okay, so I typed this message, and after completion of typing the message, you have to press Ctrl Z. So it will show a symbol called explanation, Z symbol, Z, and press enter key. Then you will get a message called one files copied. So that means your file successfully created. So if the file is not created, means it is going to show the message as 0 files copied. So like this you can create a new file in the DOS. Okay, if you want to see what contents I have stored into the file Shafi, then I can type the command type Shafi. Then it is going to display the message stored into the file Shafi, like welcome to MS-DOS, just as I created and stored the message. That message will come when I type PYPE and the file name. Okay, so like this I can display. Okay, suppose think that I want to change the name of Shafi into another, then I can use another command called run. So Shafi, and I want to change to SGC. So now you will get the file name type SGC, the same message, but when you use the type Shafi, you won't get the file name because it has been renamed with the new name called SGC. Now the same file is available with the new name SGC because run command is going to change the existing file name with a new file name. Suppose think that if you want to copy the file SGC, so then you can use a copy command. So SGC, so I will make it another file called computer. Okay, SGC file is going to copy as computer, one file copied. Now type the computer. See, same message, you can see now the file has been copied with the new name computer, and both files are available. SGC is also available and computer is also available. Suppose the thing that I want to remove the SGC file, then I can use another command called del. So type del SGC. Now the file has been removed from your computer. So here it is not going to transfer your deleted file to recycle bin because in DOS there is no recycle bin. It is permanently removed from the computer. So before deletion you must confirm that the file no more required. Okay. So after this, so if you want to see the date of the system, type date. If you want to see the time of the system, type time. Okay, so if you want to see the version of the DOS, then type version. So at present I'm using 10 version of MS-DOS with the Windows. Okay. So and if you want to see the path of the files, then type the path. So there are so many programs which has a link of a path with the existing files. So these are the programs path. By default it stores into the Windows, and if you want to see all those paths, just you have to type the path. So type the CLS command. So it is going to clear your screen, and if you want to come out from the DOS, you have to type exit command. So these are all DOS internal commands. Okay, so thank you for watching. We'll continue in the next session.